Looking at Nepal government now deciding to prorogue, which means discontinuing without dissolving the budget session, ongoing budget session of the parliament. Here is the information that we get as of now from Nepal. Nepal government now decides to prorogue, which means to discontinue without dissolving the ongoing budget session of the parliament. And this fully suggests that Prime Minister Oli is not going anywhere. He won't resign, as he could introduce a bill that could pave way for split within the party. Now, this is a tactic that the Prime Minister could use to ensure he retains position. Let's quickly go over to Geeta Mohan for more on this. Geeta, this is a strategy that the Prime Minister could use. Here we understand that the government has decided to prorogue, which means discontinue without dissolving the ongoing budget session of the parliament. And this clearly suggests that Prime Minister of Nepal, Oli, will not have to resign, as he could introduce a bill there that could pave way to split the party where he gains support within his own.
Well, that's an interesting take, because that was something that he had proposed a few days ago. The 40% support from any particular party that could help him pave the way. But that proposal of 40% really did not go through, because while he was aiming at his own party to ensure that Prachanda is sidelined and that there is a smooth transition of him taking over the party and the government completely, the opposition parties thought it was aimed against them to have a higher attrition and to have defection of their members from their party into the ruling coalition. And that's the reason why the opposition did not come from within primarily, but it came from the opposition. They were absolutely against any such idea of a 40% requirement could help Oli go through and support and continue his support for the decisions that he was taking. And that's the reason why that decision or that proposal was completely withheld and thrown out of the parliament. So we do not really know whether he's going to propose that again, or whether if there is a process in way. But we do know that there was a proposal a couple of days ago, and for not just his own party, the opposition also opposed the idea of Prime Minister Oli trying to usurp and consolidate power by ensuring that he gets only 40% support from any political party to have his way in parliament and in the government.
Right. Geeta, thank you very much for joining us. We're looking at a new strategy coming about by the Prime Minister of Nepal there, where he could hold the budget session there and then come up with a new law that could divide the party into two, a way that he could stay in power.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.